Hello everyone. This side KDB. And you are watching KDB Versatile. The Honor View 20 is the company's first device with a full-view display, which hides the 25MP front-facing camera in a 4.5mm cutout in the top left corner of the screen. This screen has 18 layers and drills just 2 of the bottom layers to make room for the camera. This helps uphold the structural integrity of the glass while maintaining a number of transparent layers to protect the sensor. Honor says it chose the top left of the screen for the whole because important information like the time and battery percentage are usually displayed in the top right. It also ran user polls to determine where people would prefer a cutout to be, and people apparently overwhelmingly chose the top left. Honor is making the selfie camera cutout isn't the only unique thing about this phone though. The Honor View 20 is one of the first devices to use Sony's new IMX586 sensor, enabling the 48MP camera Honor has stuffed into this thing. We didn't get to try the camera out at the event, but we're eager to put it through its paces and test it against other high-res cameras like the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. There is also a 3D camera seated next to the 48MP sensor for depth detection and for creating virtual versions of objects. Honor included a third Wi-Fi antenna underneath the box. The standard Honor View 20 launches in Chinese markets on December 26, starting at 2,999 yuan. $435 for the 6GB plus 128GB model and 3,499 yuan, $507 for the 8GB 128GB variant. What do you think about this device?